Welcome to the basics of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this session, we will be learning about various fields of AI by drawing a parallel between a human and a machine. Like in this slide, the ability of human beings to see and understand is similar to the field of computer vision through which machines are gaining the ability to see and understand what is there in an image. Similarly, the ability of humans to read and understand a single language or multiple languages is similar to the field of natural language processing by which machines are able to understand what is written in an article. Likewise, the field of voice analysis and recognition allows Alexa to play your favorite music. Moving on to robotics, which gives machines the ability to physically move like human beings. And finally, the most important thing, the intelligence, which we humans have developed over a period of time by constantly learning. Similarly, machines are also being trained to learn to develop intelligence. And in the next session, we will learn that how machines learn to become intelligent.